Hey folks, Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guide here, and I'm here at the Rio Suites in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm staying at the cheapest room they have. Let's see how it goes. Now, the Rio Suites is located on Flamingo Boulevard, but it's not on the Las Vegas Strip. It's actually to the west of the Las Vegas Strip, on the other side of I-15, about a mile away if you're walking, which is kind of a little too far to really be convenient, but close enough to be fairly convenient. It's just kind of in that awkward sort of shape. Now, everything about this is based off of Brazilian Mardi Gras, the Rio Carnival, and so that's where it comes. Its theme is. We're approaching down the aisle toward my room, which is in the Ipanema Tower, which is actually the original tower, the oldest tower that they have. Little Korean place there that we passed just a minute ago, coming up here on the elevators.
So hey guys, this is kind of a mistake. I went ahead and took video of this room last night when I first came in, and somehow I managed to delete it, so it's been lived in. This is the Rio Suites. This is their standard suite, 500 square feet. Now I got this for $7.50 a night. Yeah, this is a $7.50 a night room. It's a suite and everything, but name only. Sorry, the bed has been slept in. Yes, I know. So sorry. But it's huge. Now, they call this the Mountain View Room. Yeah, and there's mountains in the background. There you go. You can see them now. But I mostly see... there's the palms over there, but mostly I see the roof. Gold Coast right across the way there. And that's the funny thing about the Rio, is there's this little pod across the freeway from the Strip. So it's separated from the Strip, so kind of off Strip, but kind of close. If the weather's good, it's walkable. If the weather's 115 degrees, don't even try it. Nice big TV, comes out, swivels. So whether you're sitting on the couch or whether you're sitting on the or sleeping on the bed, you can see the TV. Here's the bathroom. Not real fancy, but nice, big, clean. Big tub. Really big tub. Nice shower head. I like those big ones. Coming on out, you got your in-room safe, dresser, your separate little shaving / dressing area. So yeah, this for $7.50 a night. I like it. Now, just before anyone yells and screams, it's $7.50. Yeah, I know it's not the total because this is Las Vegas and you do have taxes and you do have resort fees. So the actual cost for 3 days for a 500 square foot room actually was $161.40. So just letting you know. But $7.50 was the actual fee. Now, one of the problems that we do have right now with this is so many things are closed. The poker room is closed. So many of the restaurants are closed. This is the Guy Fieri's Borocho. It's one of my favorite restaurants here. It's been closed. Just about everything's. The Hash House of Go-Go is closed. The Rio was actually the last of the Caesars operated properties to open, and a lot of things just never got open. And the reason for that is they are planning a massive renovation starting later this year. So a lot of this outside area is not being used. A lot of different things are just not open. In fact, roughly I'd say about 2/3 of the restaurants are not open. This is the Indian restaurant that was there. And here we're taking a look across the
interstate out towards where the Strip is to kind of give you an idea of the difference between where the Rio is and where the Strip is. It's not bad. There are some restaurants available, Smash Burger and a couple of Oriental restaurants and things like that. But the main thing about it is that this is kind of a property that is in flux. They are going to be doing a major renovation here. It's not actually owned by Caesars. They sold it a few years ago to a third party, but Caesars is still operating it. But everything is going to go through a major renovation here. And so this is a property that's just basically, it's got some great entertainment. It's got Chippendales, it's got Penn and Teller, it's got a few other shows. So it's got a few things that are in, but it is off the Strip, but you can get rooms really, really cheap. Here's Kang's Kitchen, which actually is a pretty good Korean place there. So there's some good things and some bad things. You can get some really big rooms that are pretty clean. They are starting to show that they're not doing the maintenance as much as they could be, simply because, hey, if the carpet is getting a little frayed here and there, or there's a little scuffs on the door, why bother? Simply because, hey, they're going to be renovating it. So good rooms, cheap prices, big rooms as far as we go. But it's not a place that it used to be. It's simply a place to primarily stay while you happen to be in Las Vegas. So enjoy it when you can, and enjoy the lower rates for large rooms while you can. Guys, hey, this is Richard Evans again, Paradise Tour Guide. My channel is all about reviews, hints, tips about how you can make your traveling, and especially your travel to Las Vegas, the best that it can be. I always want people to come to Las Vegas and make memories that are going to last them forever. I hope you do it too. Please let me know your comments. Is this something you'd be interested in? Are there other things you'd like to find out about Las Vegas? Please let me know. And until then, you guys have a great time. Bye.